Good luck!
Ay,
Ayun na, ayos na!
Kaya pa, wala pa.
miss po namin kayo.
I wish you all the luck in the future.
Fall in love, stay in love, and it will decide everything.
Okay, to the class of 4N, on behalf of the PE department, thank you very much for the past 4 years. And we hope to see you during the graduation. And we know your class will go further to get to college. Okay? Here's hoping for a bright future for 4N. Enjoy life!
Dearest 1-0, I will really miss you. Good luck.
Discerning power. Alamin mo kung yung kumikinang ay tunay o peke. Dahil ang biro dito, baka hindi ito yan. Dahil ang isang dumi, pag nasinaga ng buwan, abay kumikinang din. O, isip kaya discernment ay napakahalaga. Sa pagkilala ng bagay, sa pagkilala ng tao, kailangan nanduro tayo sa pagiging tunay. Para makilala mo ang tunay, ay kailangan una, magpakatunay ka rin. Ang tunay lang ang makakakilala na isang tunay.
Guys, parang kailan lang napakabilis ng panahon. Dati nung second year pa kayo ganun pa kayo kaliliit. Ngayon mas malalaki pa kayo sa akin. So, ano lang, message ko lang sa inyo, sana kahit makagraduate na kayo ng college, sana hindi nyo sana makalimutan yung pinagsamahan natin. Tsaka, huwag kayong makakalimot na bumalik dito pag may homecoming. Good luck sa inyo. Sana pag may pamilya na kayo, magkita-kita pa rin tayo. Salamat guys. See you.
Okay, to batch 2008, first of all, I'd like to thank you for being a big part of my life this school year. I suppose a third or half of you are people I handled in first year, although I was only around that year for a semester because I was on study leave. But I was very glad to have most of you again this school year as a fourth year counselor. And I want to thank you for having touched my life this school year. I know for some of you marami akong utang na sessions, okay, because of all the other incidental work we counselors do. But I'd like to wish you all the best, and please know that I'm always praying for you, not only in terms of academics, but for all the personal stuff that you have been so generous to share with me, all the secrets, all the things, all the problems that you trusted me with. I always pray for you guys, and I hope that the Ateneo has left you with something that will be your anchor, will be your strength when you go out into college and then after college into the real world. So I'm going to miss you guys, and I love you all, and I wish you all the best.
4N, nag-enjoy talaga ako na turuan kayo. Totoo alam nyo naman siguro hangang-hanga ako sa inyo. Tsaka hihintay ako na meron kayong gawin na hindi namin nagawa. Naghihintay ako na higitan nyo kami na may gawin kayo sa bansa natin, sa sarili nyo, sa kung sino man, sa Diyos, higit sa Ginoo. Kaya maraming salamat for it.